Welcome back to Simply Anju. Today I'm going to show you my kitchen area in my kitchen that required attention just because of the functional organization that was lacking here. My main area being my spice jars. Though they are in glass containers, I had bought them from Arabian Center. I think it was just 5 dirhams each. I had bought it during my recent shifting of my home. I used to use plastic containers too, but this has been a very good buy. I'm loving it, but just that each time I try picking up something from behind, it's a commotion and I need to be very careful because they're glass containers. So functionally I had to really have some kind of improvement here, and that's the reason why I'm doing this video and I'm showing you what I have bought and how I will be organizing these. Stay tuned. So the organizers that I would be using to standardize, to organize these cupboards would be this expandable spice rack and these chalkboard labels. So these spice racks are from Home Center. Thanks to my sister-in-law, she introduced me to this. This I got for 51 dirhams from Home Center. You can purchase them online too. The actual price is 70 plus, but on sale you can grab it for 50 plus. And the chalkboard labels I bought from Amazon. So as I said, this spice rack is an expandable one, so I can simply slide it in through this and I can adjust the size of this entire spice rack and thereby either attach it and then have the spices arranged, or either I can just simply detach it and I can do the same. And the most exciting part of it all, I'm really excited to do this. So this comes with 2 chalkboard markers. So let's begin. So let's start the most fun part of it all, labeling of all the containers. So let me show you how we can write, how it is dried and how it stays and it doesn't get erased easily. And I'll also show you if there is a requirement of erasing it, how you can do so. So let's do the labeling. Labeling continues. I just want to show you if it would get smudged. You can see even if I wipe it, it doesn't because it is dried up. So if you actually want to wipe it off, simply take a wet cloth and I'm going to just show you. You can easily wipe it off just like a chalkboard, a blackboard and chalk. So it is reusable. That's the best thing about these labels. So for arranging it back, I have placed these spice racks there. The advantage of this is that it is made of steel, and unlike the plastic ones that you get, this is much easier to clean, and I'm sure it doesn't get stained with your spices. So I'm very happy with this purchase. So that's the final result, guys. I've done a little more rearrangement in my spice rack. I realized my priorities were not properly kept when I did that earlier. So now it is intact. Now for this corner, I want to try out something, and I want to show you something which is inspired by my junior in school, who also have a channel called Thriving Mom in Action. She has some beautiful organization videos you must go check out. I'll link it up below. So she has created this brilliant DIY turntable. Turntables are a little costly, but this idea is really feasible by any of us. Just that you need to have the right plate. I'm not having one, but I just want to show you how it works. Ideally, if the edges are curved, this would nicely fit in properly. So what you need are 2 plates and some pulses. I keep this on top of it, and I simply can use this as a turntable, as it would slide over the pulses. So if I had a curved edge, it would nicely fit in and it will not move out of place. Here you can see that it is slightly, but I find this is a brilliant idea. If I place these things there, you can see how nicely it can be used. Thank you, Claire, for such a brilliant idea. I also want to show you how I repurposed this stand, the spice racks, for something else, and I'm finding this also very convenient and user friendly. So maybe you can also try your ways and find it or apply it wherever you think it is appropriate. That's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed. I will surely link up the label and the spice racks online purchase links. Hope it would be helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.